Buckle up, foodie friends, because we're venturing into the land of eternal eats. Today, we're shaking things up and venturing into a world where food lasts forever. Write in the comments what you think is on the list, and I will personally respond. First up on our gastronomic hit parade water. Picture this. You're stranded in the Sahara, parched as a cactus on a hot day. What's your knight in shining armor? H2O. It's not just for quenching your thirst, it's your lifeline in a desert of despair. We'll explore water storage techniques and maybe even stumble upon the fountain of youth. Spoiler alert, it's just a really good filtration system, not a mystical spring guarded by unicorns, sorry. Next on the foodie comedy circuit, salt. This savory superhero is the Robin to your culinary Batman, always there to add flavor and keep things interesting. We'll unravel its superpowers, from preserving food to warding off evil spirits. Because who needs ghosts haunting their canned goods? Honey, I shrunk the foodie. Honey, the nectar of the gods. Sweeter than a bear with a toothache and packed with enough antioxidants to make your grandma green with envy. We'll learn how to sweeten the apocalypse with this sticky solution and maybe even cure a sore throat or two. Doctor's orders, laugh therapy included, side effects may include uncontrollable giggling. Sugar, spice, and everything nice. That's what foodies are made of. Sugar. The ultimate comfort food in a world gone mad. It's like a warm hug from grandma, except it won't judge you for eating the whole cake, because sometimes you just need cake. We'll explore its magical powers of food preservation, and maybe even indulge in a sugar high or two. No judgment zone here, just pure sugary bliss. Distilled white vinegar, the unsung hero of the cleaning cupboard. It's like the superhero nobody saw coming. Unassuming, yet incredibly powerful. We'll uncover its secrets, from disinfecting surfaces to banishing bad odors. Take that funky apocalypse smells. Who needs air fresheners when you have vinegar? Maple syrup. The sweetest foodie sidekick around. It's like nature's candy, except it won't rot your teeth, or maybe it will. But who's counting? We'll tap into its deliciousness and discover why it's the pancake's best friend. Hint, because pancakes are delicious and so is maple syrup. Just don't let it distract you from the impending doom. Pure vanilla extract. The flavor superhero your kitchen deserves. It's like a tiny bottle of magic, ready to transform your boring old recipes into culinary masterpieces. We'll dive into its rich history and maybe even uncover a secret recipe or two. Shh! Don't tell the culinary Illuminati. They've been guarding Grandma's secret cookie recipe for centuries. Soy sauce, the savory superhero of the pantry. It's like the ninja of flavor sneaking into your dishes and kicking them up a notch. We'll explore its umami goodness and maybe even learn a few martial arts moves along the way. Note, foodie karate chops not guaranteed, but hey, you never know when you'll need to fight off a zombie horde with a well-placed roundhouse kick. Cornstarch, the thickening agent of champions. It's like the secret weapon in your culinary arsenal, ready to save the day when your sauces are looking a little sad. We'll unravel its mysteries and maybe even whip up a batch of foodie pudding. Because who says you can't have dessert during the apocalypse? Nothing says end of the world like a good old-fashioned pudding party. Rice, the grain that rules them all. It's like the king of the pantry, reigning supreme in a world of culinary chaos. We'll explore its versatility and maybe even uncover a hidden treasure or two. Spoiler alert, it's just more rice. But hey, we'll take what we can get. Rice for president. Get ready to don your apron and embark on the ultimate culinary odyssey through a world where expiration dates are as reliable as a squirrel in a coffee shop. Grab your spatulas and prep your sides for some hearty laughs, because we're about to navigate the post-apocalyptic pantry of foods that never expire. From water to rice and every absurd ingredient in between, join us as we laugh, learn, and whip up some culinary chaos that would make even zombies drool. So don't just stand there like a vegetable. Hit that like and subscribe button and post your choices. You would include on this journey and I will personally reply. And remember, in the face of impending doom, laughter is your best spice. That and a well-stocked pantry to keep those taste buds tingling.